How to fix camera not working in Realme GT7. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera. Now here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After you clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.